Being an artist is more than just replicating a reference. It's more like reinterpreting it in your own style. But everyone have to start from somewhere, right? I've tried drawing figures in past years and despite turning out good, there is always something lacking, and when it comes to drawing complex poses, I just couldn't. And to understand how to draw figures, I have to first learn the anatomy behind it. So here are the practices I do to make my anatomy drawing 10 times better. Every complex forms and shapes can always be broken down into simpler, more understanding shapes, and the same goes for anatomy drawing. I try to improve on drawing the simple anatomy like drawing the plane of the head or structure of the eyes, which helps to understand more about anatomy and build reflexes. It gets hard and boring sometimes, but it is necessary for my development, so I just try to be patient while drawing it, and good results will come in due time. Shadows is one of the most important things to note while drawing, and it can either make or break your drawing. Learning how to use proper shadows on your anatomy helps to make it less flat and more realistic. And when it comes to knowing how to properly add shadow, I depend mostly on my reference for this. Sometimes, I practice with simple line drawings or circles to build muscle memory with my hand. And the more you practice, the better you get. And I think that is just the cheat to it. As long as you understand the basics to drawing and you are keeping it simple, you'll find out that drawing complex posture and shapes is not that hard. Just break it down into simple shapes like squares and circles, and voila, your drawing will be coming out sexy. Always focus your shading on the side that receives less light and try to blend it with the light areas. Studying other artists' sketches have been one of the practices that sped up my growth and is something I do even till date. Drawing the whole anatomy from a real life reference can be overwhelming at times, so by practicing with what other artists have drawn, you are taking the pressure off yourself and allowing yourself to learn through their perspective. Being patient and always practicing is the best advice I could probably give. I remember when I started to learn and I was watching a lot of videos on anatomy, and because it looks so easy in the videos, I always thought being fast is the key to being better, but I was very wrong. Great work cannot be rushed. It needs time and patience to come out perfect, and sometimes, despite spending a lot of time on a drawing, it still doesn't come out the way you want it to. It's alright, it's probably happened to the best of us too, and that is why you need to practice as much as you can, and that will improve your drawing, probably 10 times better.